level up your wallet game, personal finance tips you can actually use. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Maple World Finance. Today, we are diving into the world of personal finance, a topic that might sound dry, but trust me, it's not. Mastering your money is the key to unlocking financial freedom and living the life you deserve. So, buck up and get ready to learn some actionable tips that will have your wallet doing a happy dance. Number 1. Know your money goals, the power of budgeting. Imagine running a business without a budget. Chaotic, right? The same goes for your personal finances. A budget is your roadmap to financial success, and it all starts with awareness. Track your expenses. For a month, count down every single penny you spend. No matter how small, use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. This might be eye-opening, but seeing those daily leads and impulse buys add up can be a powerful 78% motivator to change. Categorize your spending. Once you have your data, categorize it into essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, debt payments, savings, and discretionary spending such as entertainment and dining out. Many budgeting apps can do this automatically, making it easier to understand your spending habits. Here is a pro tip. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting strategy. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This is just a guideline. Adjust it based on your unique situation. Number 2. Strategies to getting out of debt. Debt can feel like a prison, but there's always a way out. Here's some strategies to slay the debt dragon. The snowball method. List your debt from smallest to largest regardless of interest rate. Pay minimums on everything except the smallest, which you throw all your extra cash at to pay off quickly. The momentum and sense of accomplishment from eliminating debt will keep you motivated. The avalanche method. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, regardless of the amount. This saves your money in the long run, but it might feel slower initially. And hey, it's true that you can save an average of 20% on total interest paid using this method. Negotiate interest rates. Call your credit card companies and see if they will lower your interest rate. It never hurts to ask. Studies show that 57% of people are successful in negotiating a lower interest rate on their credit cards. Remember, paying off high-interest debt should be priority. Once you are debt-free, except for a mortgage, you will free up significant cash flow to achieve your financial goals. Number 3. Build your emergency fund, your financial safety net. Life throws curveballs. An unexpected car repair, medical bill, or job loss can wreak havoc on your finance. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This acts as a safety net, preventing you from going into debt or dipping into your long-term saving during emergencies. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in your emergency fund to feel financially secure. Number 4. Automate your saving. Set it and forget it. Imagine this. You get paid and bam, money magically appears in your savings account. No willpower is needed, no late night transfers, just smooth sailing towards your goals. That's the beauty of automating your savings. It's like setting your financial future on autopilot. Here's the deal. Pick your savings account. This is your money vault where your future self will be thanking you. Set up automatic transfers. Tell your bank to move a specific amount from your checking account to your savings every payday. This way, savings becomes automatic, not optional. Enjoy the peace of mind. Watch your savings grow effortlessly, knowing you are one step closer to your dreams. Remember, it's all about paying yourself first. By automating your savings, you are prioritizing your financial future before anything else. It's like saying, I deserve this. So what are you waiting for? Automate your savings today and watch financial freedom take flight. Number 5. Invest for the future. Grow your wealth over time. Investing allows your money to grow over time thanks to the power of compound interest. It's like planting a seed and watching it blossom into a beautiful tree. Even small investments early on can make a significant difference down the road. Start early. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts consistently invested can add up significantly over time. Don't put your all eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets, stock, bonds, and real estate to minimize risk. Keep a keen eye on the market fluctuations. Trying to predict market fluctuations is a recipe for disaster. Invest consistently and stay invested for the long term. Remember, investing involves risk and you could lose money. Understand your risk tolerance and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Number 6. Embrace frugal living. Making smart money choices. Living frugally doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices with your money. Here are some tips. Cook at home. Eating out frequently can drain your wallet. Explore the joys of home cooking and pack your lunch to save big bucks. Embrace free entertainment. There are plenty of free or low-cost ways to have fun. Explore museums, attend cultural events, or simply enjoy a picnic in the fresh air. Number 7. Level up your earning potential, side hustles, and career growth. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? This section explores ways to increase your income, from exploring side hustles to negotiating a raise or upskilling for a promotion. Remember, multiple income streams can give you more financial security and freedom. Number 8. Master the art of shopping. Become a savvy spender. Shopping doesn't have to break the bank. Learn how to resist impulse buys, utilize coupons and discounts, and shop around for the best deals. Remember, being a smart shopper doesn't mean sacrificing quality, it means getting the most value for your money. Number 9. Celebrate your wins and stay motivated. Financial wellness for the long haul. Reaching financial goals is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your milestones, big or small, to stay motivated. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as managing your finances. Treat yourself to get free reward for your hard work, and don't be afraid to seek professional guidance if needed. Alright, my financial warriors, there you have it, a treasure trove of personal finance wisdom to level up your wallet game. We have journeyed through the art of budgeting, conquering debt, building a financial safety net, and even planting the seeds of wealth through strategic investing. But this isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about transforming your financial landscape, unlocking doors to the life you truly deserve. So what's the bottom line? It's time to take charge, automate those savings, and make smart choices and explore avenues to boost that income. Remember, financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's just a marathon. Stay motivated, stay savvy, stay motivated. And until next time, keep those wallets driving. See you in the next one.